To make this, we'll be needing 2 long balloons and 1 heart-shaped balloon. And to inflate all these, we'll be needing a balloon pump. First, we'll inflate them. And now it's time to decorate. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do check all the other decorations on my channel. I have many other decoration ideas. Check them out and I'm sure you will find something awesome to make your occasion special. If you don't want to miss any of my future decoration ideas, then make sure that you click on the red subscribe button below and subscribe.